Hi, continue to learn about Google Spreadsheets and about charts. If we start talking about charts in previous lesson with Sparkline, today we exactly have to know about that chart. If you input that chart, you see some information in automatic way. But I offer you at the beginning select the range what you want to show on your chart, and after that insert chart. It's the easiest way when you can create your chart, because if you start creating without selecting some range, you receive some simple chart what you have to set up with in manual way. Sometimes it's more harder than in that way that I showed you. So what we gonna do with that chart? For example, we can change it to column, and we see on each day each company have unique color and a month of price. Every company have different price. For example, green, it's blink charging. Maybe it's not so big changes in that company. For example, if we switch to line, come back to line and change Google, for example, to 30. Now it's more interesting chart because we see changes, real changes. Maybe you can create table not by day, but every year, changes every year. For example, the price of stocks of that companies. If I select this chart, I press to this 3-point edit chart, or double click on some part of that chart. For example, you want to change color or change something else, you can click on some part of your chart and change it. For example, I wanna change the name of this chart. I automatically see the title text, companies. So it's so simply. You can switch between these custom options and try to understand what these columns, what these options consist of. It's a type of chart, it's a date range, what you take for your chart. It's a x-axis. It means that from A1 to F1 in that range, charts get the name for X line, X-axis. So I don't know what to add to this lesson more to clarify maybe some information. And if I will find some interesting information about charts, I share with you on my channel. That's why subscribe to the channel, thumbs up this video if you like it, and go to the next video, what you see on the screen. This is a playlist from several videos that describe that service, Google Sheets.